Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Muhammad Abu Bakr, your guide to all things statutory compliance and labor laws. Today, we are going to deep dive into a crucial topic, what labor laws that you should know about. Whether you're a business owner, an HR professional, or an employee, knowing labor laws is vital for all businesses. It not only helps you avoid legal troubles, but it also ensures a healthy, fair working environment for everybody involved. So let's get started. First off, why are labor laws so important? Well, these laws are designed to protect both the employees and the employer. On one hand, they ensure that the employees are treated fairly and their rights are safeguarded. On the other hand, they help business owners operate within a legal framework, avoiding fines, penalties, and even potential shutdowns, like we have seen in news in multiple cases. And even as a consultant in my business, I've seen in multiple cases because of lack of following labor laws, businesses have even had to shut down. Now let's get into the core of today's video, the key labor laws that you should absolutely need to be aware of, and let's bring them down one by one. First up, we have Employees Provident Fund Act, EPFO or PF as we generally know about. It's all about securing retirement benefit for your employees. Employers and employer both contribute towards Provident Fund every single month, and this fund served as a safety net for your employees in the case of post-retirement or any other emergencies, financial emergencies your employee might have in future. Next up is the Payment of Wages Act. Now, the Payment of Wages Act, it is crucial that the employees receive their wages on time without any unauthorized deductions. This law regulates how wages are paid and defines the fines or the deduction an employer can impose. Then we have the Minimum Wages Act. This law guarantees that the workers are paid at least a minimum wages which is determined by the government. It is safeguard for the employees against exploitation and ensures a fair compensation for their work. Next, we have a very important one, that is the Maternity Benefit Act. This is especially for working women. The law mandates that you pay maternity leave for expecting mothers and provides other benefits. It is essential for businesses to comply with this law to support women during and after their pregnancy. Previously, the Maternity Benefit Act was up to 3 months or 12 weeks. Now, after the 2017 amendment, it has been extended to 6 months of paid maternity leave for working women. Next up, we have the Industrial Dispute Act. As the name suggests, it not only applies for industries, but also commercial establishments. It helps resolve conflicts between employers and employees. It also lays down procedures for handling strikes, layoffs, and retrenchment. Next, we have the Payment of Gratuity Act. This act provides financial support for employees who leave your company after approximately 5 years of continued service. Gratuity is a lump sum paid to the employees upon retirement or termination. This law ensures that they received it based on the formula linked to their last drawn salary when they are terminated or when they leave the job, and the number of service they have worked in your company uninterrupted. Next up, we have the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, or also known as the POSH Act. Now, this law is critical for creating a safe working place for all women. POSH Act mandates the formation of internal committee, also known as ICC, in organizations and lays down the framework to address sexual harassment complaints swiftly and fairly. This law generally applies for any company who are having 10 employees and above. Finally, we have the Shop Establishment Act, also known as SHOP Act. This law regulates condition of work such as working hours, holidays, opening and closing hours for businesses that operate outside the factory like retail, offices, corporate offices, etc. This law varies slightly from state to state. It is important to check local regulations to know what is the law which is mandated. So how do you ensure that your business stays compliant? One is to keep track of all the changes in labor laws. That is the most important one. Second, you can consult statutory experts like myself. I have also added an email ID in the description below. Third, you can conduct regular audits of your company compliance. Fourth, you can host internal training sessions for a HR team to make sure that everyone is up to date. By staying compliant, you're not just avoiding penalties, but you're creating a positive and legally sound workplace. To sum it up, understanding and adhering to labor laws is crucial for all businesses. It protects your employees, safeguards your company, and helps maintain a strong ethical environment. If you found this video useful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates for labor laws and statutory compliance. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a new update or a new video from our side. And if you have any questions about labor laws and compliance for your business, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to us directly through the email ID which is provided below. I'm here to help you navigate all your important issues with regards to statutory compliance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.